Hello everyone, welcome to the weekend market analysis. Today 22nd March, Nifty ends this week around 23,350 and Bank Nifty at 50,593. See, in our previous video we discussed that by considering the Bank Nifty and the Bank Nifty's pattern, we discussed that Nifty will eventually come out of this trend line and has the higher possibility to reach 23,800. This is what we discussed in our previous week. This expectation not only we discussed in previous week. Let me share one chart. This I shared on 1st March when it was trading around 22,124 and I marked around 21,975, which is very closest and first support. If the support does not work, I shared another two level which is very close to this level, but while marking this analysis I said 21,975 is the closest support, and the primary view is the price should take support around here and eventually move out of this trend line and it can reach 23,800. This is the analysis we discussed on 1st March itself, and you are witnessing the level 21,975. See, and price exactly got support and now a trend line has been crossed. So as of now the price is moving as per expectation only. So what we can expect next? Let us move to the hourly chart. But actually I expected some sort of resistance here. Okay, some sort of resistance may come. This is what I expected, but the price not gave even a pause in the trend. So that's very good. And see, okay, one thing. I hope you understand the power of intermarket divergence, right? Bank Nifty making a new low, but Nifty not accepting that low, that created an intermarket divergence. Okay, see, many are not using this intermarket divergence. Try to incorporate this analysis also to identify the tops and bottoms are very important supports and resistance. Fine. It seems to be in extension, and currently, yes, we are expecting some pause. See, if you take this as the end of the correction, I showed in previous video, right? Marking 1, 2, 3, I mean A, B, C. If you choose that option, the price exactly stopping at the 1.618 levels. Okay, exactly 1.618 levels. So this could be the important pause point or resistance point for Nifty, and even if it goes higher due to the internal structure, okay, due to this internal structure, yes, the price can even go one more higher of 23,455 to 23,480. That can be the important resistance. See, the idea here is price already reached the important resistance. We need to see the opening on Monday, and even if the price moves higher with slight pause, okay, with slight pause and moves higher, this can be the important resistance 23,450 to 23,480. And then yes, it needs to cool off, and the price needs to take some pause, decline, or at least move sideways. So expecting some sort of pullback sideways in the coming week. And if the price declines, we need to first see the rejection point. Suppose if it rejected here itself, the supports can be expected around 23,150, 140, okay, 23,140, and the next support can be around 22,985. These are the important supports, and I think the price should move higher to 23,800, which is the our expected level right from 1st March. Okay, so this is the view on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Yes, I could remember this thing. I don't know in which video I said this, but I remember that whenever the price breaks this pattern, comes out of this pattern, Bank Nifty will reach 50,500. This I explained in one of my video. I don't know which video it is, but around March or February end, whenever the pattern ends and the price comes out of this range, the price should reach 50,500, and exactly the price has been reached. And see the resistance also. Okay, that's why I said this is very important resistance. So possibly some pause or pullback may come in the markets in the next week. And if it comes, it is healthier. If it comes, that will be even better for the next up move. If the price declines, the support levels can be around 49,900 to 49,600. Then I think the price may start moving higher. Okay. So first, the expectation is the price needs to cool off. Some sort of sideways pullback is better. And if it comes, these are the important levels to watch out. And if the price gets support here, the price may make another high in this particular wave. So this is the expectation for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So now the commodity section, the first one is crude oil. See, the price is trading around $67.89. The price has taken important support from the previous low of around 65, and 65 is our expected target, and it has been met. And if the price declines, yes, there is a chance of price to reach 64.3 or even to this trend line support of 63.3. So 64.3 to 63.3 is the important support if the price declines. Okay. So from this, I expect the price to turn, and we need to see how the price reacts there. So, but for the shorter time, we need to see this pattern and how the price behaves here. Okay. If the price comes below this low of 66 and 65.3, the previous low, yes, we can expect 64.3 to 63.3. We need to see whether the price coming lower to our level of 64.3 to 63.3 and started to moving higher, or the price taking support at 66.11 and start moving higher, because it can be a leading diagonal. The reason is the price is already reached $65, which is our expected support. Okay, it has been reached. So we need to see how the price behaves here. So we need to wait for certain confirmation here in the crude oil, but this is the view. And in natural gas, you know very well that how we identified all these supports, resistance, even the pattern, everything I showed in previous weeks. And even in our previous weekend analysis, I said that if the price consolidates here, the price may come one more lower. The primary expectation is 3.76, which we discussed during here. And I said even this 3.88 can also give some support. So this zone is the support zone, primarily 3.88 and 3.76. First, we need to see how the price reacts here, and the price may start give a bounce. Then based on that bounce, we can decide the next price action. So as of now, natural gas moving exactly as per our expectation, and the price can reach 3.88 first, and based on the reaction, we need to see 3.88 or 3.76, or between these levels, the price can, chances are for taking support and bounce. The next one is gold. See, still gold and silver playing with the intermarket divergence, not yet resolved. It is forming in the resistance zone. So that could be the potential top between silver and gold. This is what we discussed. Even in the video, how to identify the tops and bottoms, I mentioned equity markets are at bottoms, and you witness the result. And gold and silver are possibly at the top, and we need to see how it is reacting here. But if the price gives a breakout, that will signal a even more bullish, but we need to see. Until the price stays within this range, intermarket divergence in play. Okay, so now gold. See, we discussed in previous week that the price can reach 3036. I marked in previous video, and the price has reached 3055 and slightly stopping there. And even I gave another two levels if the price goes higher, 3089 to 3136. See, we cannot highly rely on final wave. Okay, I can still mark it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It is possible now. So for that, we need to see the important supports between 2980 to 2965. See the decline here, and if the decline comes slow and taking support in this zone, then one more high is possible and it can reach 3090. So this 3090 to 3100 is the very important resistance. If it cross, then only we can expect 3130. But for that we need to see how the price taking support here. See, gold and silver are important resistance only, that is what we are discussing. And see the minor waves, see already in 1 2 3 4 5, in that 5 we are marking 1 2 3 4 5. Usually commodities can have an extended wave 5, that is usual for commodities. So let us wait for this level, 2980 to 2965. The price takes support, it can reach 3090. Potential resistance around here in gold. I not changed the view yet. See, similar to the gold, silver also, see intermarket divergence in play, and this is not impulsive. As of now, it is not impulsive. That's why I said it is not impulsive now, but it can turn to be the extending waves. But we cannot anticipate that. What I am seeing in the chart, I am analyzing now. So I am not anticipating the extension. Currently, it is not impulsive. That is what I can say. Even if the gold goes one more high to this level, I expect the silver may stop below this level. That's a possibility because as of now it is not impulsive, or this level we discussed previous weeks, right? 34.55. Let's see. These are the important levels now. The only thing is it should not close above this high. Okay, previous high of 34.92. If the price closes above this high, then there is no intermarket divergence. Idea is it may stop below this point and it may come lower. When the decline may be anticipated if the price starts to come this point, 31.78 approximately. If the price starts to decline below this point, we can anticipate further lows. So in the meantime, it may go one more higher and it may start declining. So this is the expectation. I am just aligning the silver and gold. So this is the view for coming week, equity markets and commodities like natural gas, crude oil, gold and silver. Importantly, the levels and opinions shared in this video are only for learning purpose and don't take it as any kind of trading recommendations. And if you want to learn this advanced Elliott wave theory, I have a course and you already know that the course is at discount now and the discount is valid only till 31st March. So another 10 days. If you wish to register this course, this is the best time to register, and after 31st March, the price will be increased. So if you wish to register, I give all the details in the description. You can register now and get the access immediately. So thank you. Trade safe. Always capital protection is important. Happy weekend. We'll meet you in the midweek market analysis. Thank you.